if you want to know how to use Zelle without phone, you've come to the right place. So if you want to know how to do that, you will find the answer in this video. So on the zellepay.com, they have a frequently asked questions, and here we can find their topic, which is called "Can I access Zelle to send or receive money without a smartphone?" And what can we see here? Basically, they have two answers. If your bank or credit union offers Zelle, you may be able to use their online banking site to send and receive money without a mobile device. So you won't be able to use your phone. And if your bank or credit union does not offer Zelle, then you must have a smartphone in order to access the Zelle app to send and receive money. So if your bank supports Zelle, you don't have to use their app, but if it doesn't, you'll need to download it in order to send or receive money. Hope your problem was solved. Goodbye.